Hello guys, welcome to Side by Side Therapy. Today we're going to be talking, or we're going to be performing a deep cleaning of our helmets. I have a bell helmet with the air port on top. I use an air particle separator, which I'm going to be making a follow-up video on that. And basically today we're going to be cleaning it because the last trail we went to, as you can see, is very dirty. See, it has a lot of mud everywhere. I went ahead and took all the potty from inside and already washed it. The same as the one I use. This is my helmet. You see, there's a lot of dirt on it. So I want to do a deep cleaning. So for this today, I'm going to be using a water hose, because I'm going to be spraying it with a lot of water, and a towel. That's about it. If there's any dirt left, I can use a liquid soap, which I don't intend to use because I don't want to damage the finish on the helmet. This matte black. I want to leave it nice and shiny, but without any damage to the paint. Actually, let me tell you something. The user manual says that you cannot use any chemical to clean up the helmet because it may damage it, it may weaken the material, and the company or the helmet won't be able to perform the way it's supposed to be. So instead of you trying getting a shortcut, let's do it the right way, and that way we'll keep our investment at top performance. Okay, let's start. So I have my hose here, so I'm going to be spraying, small spray, right? The dirt first. So there's many small places where you cannot clean it up. So what I'm gonna do for that is I'm going to be using a brush, small brush, for all these spots where you can't get, especially these, the Velcro. See, all these places, all these spots, it's very hard for you to clean it up. So let me get a brush. So for these hard to reach places, I'm going to be using a toothbrush. All toothbrush. Oh yes. It takes all the grime out, leaving it like brand new. There's Velcro here, you see? See how easy it is to clean with a toothbrush? You could do this in the dishwasher using the dishwasher hose, and it's a lot easier. But me, I'm kind of wild today. And on top of that, it's hot outside, so a little bit of water will do good more than bad at this moment. To take the visor off in this helmet is very, very easy. You just gotta pull this lever and it will come off. Do the same in the other side. Pull this lever, then it's off. Now we can go ahead and wash the top part. Now, because my helmet is totally empty inside, right? I'm gonna blow water through the air vent. Inside here, there's a lot of dirt too, and it's very hard for me to get it out. So I'm gonna try to clean it through these holes inside, right? And then I'm gonna blow water through it. So first, you loosen it up with a brush, the best you can. You go through the front. But it doesn't go as deep as it should, right? So everything else will get through the water. Let's see if we can do it with a brush. You see, up in here and in here, it doesn't go as far as it should. So let me see if I can fix it, or if I can get a brush to do it. Okay, so that is clean. So now, let's rinse it out. Let's do it from this side too. Now let's clean already spraying it inside. Okay guys, so after that, we rinse our towel. Because we don't want to scratch the visor. Let's rinse it. Yeah, rinse it. We spray the visor. With your hand, get all the dirt from it so you don't scratch it. And after that, go ahead with your glove, the towel, right? That's it. This is all. Rinse it. And we're done. Now, now we just gotta dry it out. Get all the excess water from it. Actually, the excess water, because we will have to leave it drying. So for now, I'm gonna leave it on the table. But when I finish with that one, I'm gonna leave it in the sun for 1 hour. So I can get if there's anything in there, any bacteria or anything, it will die. And then I can assemble the helmet, all right? So stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, as you can see, my helmets are already dry, nice and clean. They are perfect. They look like I'm just doing the unboxing. That's how clean they are.